The F2A visa explained. Bringing your spouse and children to the US is more achievable than you think. Dreaming of reuniting with your family in the US? The F2A visa category could be the answer for spouses and unmarried children under 21. If you are a lawful permanent resident, you can petition for your spouse and unmarried children under 21 through the F2A category. Who's eligible? Petitioner must hold a valid green card. Beneficiaries are a spouse or unmarried child under 21. Step 1. File Form 130, Petition for Alien Relative, to start the process for each family member you're sponsoring. Be prepared to include proof of your relationship, like marriage licenses and birth certificates, along with your petition. USCIS reviews your petition. If approved, your case moves to the National Visa Center for the next steps. Medical exams are required for all beneficiaries. Schedule these before your consular interview. Attend your visa interview at the U.S. Embassy or consulate. Bring all required originals and evidence of your relationship. If your interview goes well, your family members' passports will receive the visa, allowing travel to the U.S. Upon arrival in the U.S., your loved ones become permanent residents with work authorization and a path to citizenship. Processing times can change, but F2A visas often move faster than other family categories. Regular updates can help you plan ahead. Once your loved ones get their green cards, they can work, live, and build a future in the U.S. alongside you. Ready to start your family's F2A journey? Comment with your questions or ask for the full F2A timeline guide.